again. Now this time with a little bit of geometry, which is as important as other things, and every year there are a few problems based on geometry, sometimes on real knowledge of geometry, sometimes based on a geometrical aptitude. Let me post a problem in geometry across to you, and let me see if you can get the answer right. Put your acts together. Let me first explain the problem to you. There is a square ABCD, and there is another square OPQR. And the area of each of these squares is 16 square units. The vertex of one of the squares, OPQR, is also the center of ABCD. That means the geometrical center of ABCD coincides with the vertex O of the other square. All right. This angle is theta. I want you to be able to tell me the area of the shaded region. I want you to be able to tell me the area of this shaded region. That means area of OMDN, say. OMDN, say. Your time starts now. 30 seconds. There you go. Yes, 30 seconds over. One of the tenets of the CAT exam is that it expects you to be clever. It's going to make an impresario out of you, and therefore to have some fundamental cleverness in you on which they can build up is a basic requirement. And therefore they post problems in the exam commensurate with this ideology. Let's look at this situation. I want to be able to find the area of the shaded region. Now, if I go the conventional way, it could get a little longish and a little unwieldy to find this area. But realize that they've just mentioned that this angle is theta. And if they mention that this angle is theta, that means it should not depend on theta. If the answers presented in the options are independent of theta, that means any value of theta should give me the same value of area, and therefore why not take a pragmatic approach to this? You're not a researcher, you're going to become a manager. Let's take a practical approach to this. What we do is, we reorient this square OPQR such that this theta becomes 0. Now that our guesstimate is that it does not depend on theta, any value of theta should give me the same area. Therefore, if we just tilt OPQRs so that theta becomes 0, then we have the new orientation as follows. This is the new orientation, and this becomes the shaded region. This becomes the shaded region. Do you realize that? And easy to see that this shaded region would be 1/4 the area of the square. That means this shaded region would just be 4 square units. How about it? Right? Host of such things will come your way, and you should be mentally alert to accept them. Yes, there are also times when problems in geometry are pretty knowledge based. You need to know certain results. We'll get you into the thick of those results as well. But I hope you had fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.